As AI data centers expand rapidly, the research evaluating their massive resource consumption is increasingly compromised by industry bias and political pressure. That intelligence comes directly from an April 2026 report published by Virtualization Options LLC, a Colorado-based advisory organization. The document dissects 5 critical battlegrounds: power usage, water consumption, local environmental impacts, research funding bias, and government political influence. Policymakers are committing to multi-billion-dollar infrastructure projects based on this data, shaping regional power grids for the next 30 years. A stark divide separates what industry groups disclose and what academic studies reveal about water demand, and the severe minimization of local noise and heat island effects. This split-screen chart visualizes the power fight. Utility-funded research projects demand exceeding 1,000 terawatt-hours. But Princeton identified a major error, conflating maximum capacity with actual daily draw. Independent evidence from the Rocky Mountain Institute factors in new chip architectures, lowering these projections significantly. Utility-funded power studies represent aggressive upper-bound marketing scenarios, distinct from the independent scientific consensus. These discrepancies persist because industry-funded studies consistently produce favorable estimates for the benefactors paying for them. But a more concerning trend is emerging. Federal agencies, traditionally the gold standard for objective analysis, are currently facing heavy political pressure. Leaked internal drafts and FOIA records show career scientists at the EPA and DOE being pressured to lower NEPA thresholds, benefiting specific industry actors. This diagram maps the trustworthiness matrix, ranking institutions on transparency, funding, and independence. Historically, Lawrence Berkeley National Lab held the highest credibility, but is now flagged for political pressure risk. Meanwhile, UC Riverside and RMI maintain high confidence ratings due to strict independence. Given the documented interference in federal reporting, the RMI and UC Riverside data provide the most reliable methodology for identifying uncompromised facts. When evaluating AI data center infrastructure, the specific source of the research is just as critical as the data itself. The next 4 videos in this series will provide focused intelligence briefings on each battleground, starting directly with the methodological wars over power consumption. Move to Part 2 to analyze these specific methodological flaws within inflated utility forecasts.